Hi, friend. Welcome back to Fluent English Every Day, the place where you build real confidence in English one simple step at a time. If you're new here, my name is Zoe, and I'm here to help you speak English with joy, not fear. Today, I want to show you something powerful, something that can change the way you learn forever. It's ChatGPT. And yes, it can help you become fluent faster than ever, but only if you know how to use it the right way. So grab your tea, sit back, and listen closely, because I'm going to walk you through this step by step. Have you ever felt this? Some English words, you understand a little grammar, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes completely blank. You want to talk, but fear holds you back. What if I say it wrong? What if they laugh? What if I don't understand the reply? You're not alone. Millions of learners feel the same. But here's the truth: you don't need to stay stuck. I understand how scary it feels. You try so hard, but sometimes your confidence disappears. Maybe your heart beats fast when someone asks, "Can you speak English?" Maybe you avoid speaking, even though deep down you want to. And maybe you think, maybe I'm just not good at languages. That's not true. You are smart. You are capable. And your brain can learn English. The real problem is not your intelligence. It's fear. Fear of mistakes. Fear of judgment. Fear of not being perfect. But guess what? You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice safely, kindly, and daily. And that's where ChatGPT can help. It's like having a friendly teacher who never laughs, never gets tired, and is always here to support you. Think about this. When babies learn to walk, they fall many times, but they don't give up. They get up and try again. When you go to the gym, your muscles feel sore at first, but slowly they grow stronger. Learning English is the same. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep moving forward. Let's change the way you see mistakes. Mistake does not mean you are bad at English. Mistake means you are learning something new. Every mistake is a sign that your brain is working. It means you're trying. It means you care. So don't be afraid of mistakes. Welcome them, because mistakes are how we grow. Now, let's look at how ChatGPT can help you every day. Step 1, know your level. Ask ChatGPT, "Please assess my English level through a short conversation." It will ask questions and tell you if you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Step 2, learn 5 new words daily. Ask, "Give me 5 new English words with meanings and example sentences." Then say, "Quiz me." You can learn words for travel, emotions, business, or any topic you want. Step 3, practice speaking. Say, "Let's have a 10-minute conversation." Ask ChatGPT to correct you kindly. Speak every day and fluency will come. Step 4, learn simple grammar. Say, "Explain the present perfect tense with examples." Then, "Now quiz me." You can also ask for a full grammar course, tenses, articles, prepositions, and more. Step 5, writing practice. Write a paragraph. Then say, "Please correct my writing and explain." You can write about your dream, your daily routine, or your favorite place. Step 6, reading and listening. Say, "Give me a short story with vocabulary and questions." You can listen and read at the same time. Then answer the questions to test your understanding. Step 7, build your sentences. Ask, "Give me a sentence and help me change it to past, future, passive." This helps you become more flexible with grammar. Step 8, improve pronunciation. Say, "How do I pronounce this word?" Ask for phonetic guides or common pronunciation mistakes. You can also try tongue twisters for fluency. Step 9, create a daily routine. Ask, "Create a 30-minute English routine. A simple routine could be 5 minutes vocabulary, 10 minutes speaking, 5 minutes grammar, 5 minutes writing, 5 minutes reading. Step 10 practice, real life situations. Say, let's role play 'em at a restaurant or a hotel or airport. Real life practice builds real confidence. Step 11, get daily feedback and motivation. Say, give me a daily English challenge and test me tomorrow. Also, ask for motivational quotes or success stories to keep going. Step 12, smart follow-up. Ask, track my progress weekly, or make a vocabulary list based on my mistakes. ChatGPT becomes your personal English coach. Bonus real-life dialogues. You can ask for short conversations, like greeting someone, asking for directions, talking to a doctor, ordering food, making a complaint, and many more. Practice these to prepare for real situations. Bonus 90-day fluency plan. Weeks 1 to 4. Learn 10 words daily. Master basic grammar. Speak 10 minutes. Write 1 paragraph. Weeks 5 to 8. Learn idioms and phrasal verbs. Role play. Watch videos with subtitles. Retell stories. Weeks 9 to 12. Focus on formal and business English. Deliver 2-minute speeches. Join live discussions or interviews. Bonus ChatGPT grammar workbook. Ask for daily grammar exercises like fill in the blanks, paragraph correction, grammar explanations, short quizzes. Also ask for writing scores and feedback. You don't need to learn alone. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Speak a little, write a little, practice every day. Even 5 minutes is enough. Your fluency will grow. Your confidence will shine. And one day, you'll look back and say, I really did it. So go talk to ChatGPT today. Try the steps I gave you and watch your English become stronger one simple day at a time. If this video helped you, please share, and subscribe to Fluent English Every Day. And leave a comment below. What's your biggest challenge in learning English? Is it speaking, listening, grammar? Tell me in the comments. I read every one, and I'll make more videos to help you. You're not alone. I'm here with you every step of the way. See you in the next video.